Hi, this is Andy Nathan from andynathan.net. I am talking today about SEO tools. Specifically, we're going to be talking about free SEO tools, which is always a cool thing for people. Right now, I'm on SEOBook.com. They have a keyword density analyzer tool. Basically, it's a fancy way of saying how many keywords do you use on your website. So I can really go in and check that. I see I could put in andynathan.net here. I could check now, once I click go, how many keywords I have, and it's checking it right now for 2 words, 1 word, 3-word keyword phrases, and it'll give me a list of them. So basically, because it's a blog, it actually checks really what I've been doing the last week or two. So if you take a look here, and I'm going to just close out of this little box here, you could actually see that there's a long list of 1-word phrases that I've been using, and this is just from recent posts. And you could take a look to see what percentage of the words that I'm using in there. A lot of 2 words, a lot of words have been used twice, like once, sidebar, header, September, efforts. And then you get to words that I use more often, such as backlink, navigate, questions, and computer. And you go all the way up to some of my most commonly used words, such as word. Apparently I use the word word a lot, probably because of the word WordPress. Also WordPress blog, link, site. A lot of these words keep on appearing. Obviously, it's something that SEO will probably pick up on more often than not than other 1-word phrases. Then you go to my 2-word phrases, and the same thing happens here as well. Finally, you see the 3-word phrases. Obviously, you're not going to see as many of those, but you could still see there's a continuity. I've been doing an SEO week the last week, so you'll see a lot of SEO going on throughout my keyword phrases, which is intentional. Additionally, there's also the free keyword tool here from Wordstream. So what I would want to do is maybe I want to check out social networking next week. So I'm going to get keyword ideas. And you can see it's obviously searching here. And this actually shows the relative frequency of how much, this actually shows how much a website is actually being checked, or a keyword is being checked in terms of phrases. So if you see the keyword being used over and over and over again, that means that a lot of people are checking for the word social networking to use it as a word in their marketing. Additionally, if you scroll down, you're going to see if I want to use a word like social networking asp.net, it's not going to be used as frequently. So it's just a good way to maybe figure out a little bit more of your SEO strategy. Finally, the third item is Cherrypicker. This works very similar to the other two where you analyze it, except this one, if I type in social networking, I hit the word search, what you'll see pop up, and this does take a little while to populate, is these are the top 10 competitive words for the word social networking. What they do is, as you can start to see here, you'll see the Google page rank, how many pages are indexed, how many links there are going into the URL, and also how many links there are to that domain as well. So for the domain, for Wikipedia, they have millions and millions and even billions of links going into the domain. For this one URL, however, there's only 26,000 inbound links. So you can get an idea of how powerful that page is. And so if you know, like, hey, this is a really competitive word, I don't know if this is something that we could actually compete on, then you might want to take a look maybe instead and try something a little bit easier. So for example, if we do asp.net, based on the previous example, we go stop, and we go search, and then all of a sudden you start coming up with different words. And as you can tell, like even the first one, there's no links to that URL. And same, the second one only has 8 links to that URL. Obviously, this is an easier word to get some traffic on. So this is a great way to actually determine how to use your SEO. So this is Andy Nathan. These are your 3 free SEO tools that you can use. Cherrypicker. I'm going back to the other ones. Wordstream and SEOBook Keyword Density Analyst. So this is Andy Nathan from andynathan.net. Have a great day.